One of my favorite things in the world is seeing an ad that is just like horrible, just like garbage. It's all about the company. It's all featured based. There's no benefits. And then I think to myself, how can I help this person? Do everything in my power to, give them advice on their copywriting, their funnel. That's like my favorite thing to do. So I come across all of these real estate ads. I'll see something that catches my eye and I'm like, oh, I can help this person. And I would take so much time trying to, reword their copy. So I've got a buddy that is in the real estate niche, and his copy will be like 3-bedroom, $198,000, great neighborhood. You know what I mean? Call, blah, 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 realtor, blah, 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 right? No, it's just all like features. Oh, it's got a deck, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? There's no benefit towards it. Hey, this is a great neighborhood for children because there's a park 2.1 miles away, whatever, right? I've been using this AI software, obviously Jarvis, and it does the real estate listings, and it has been a game changer. And I've been focusing on targeting real estate. Obviously, they have the means to spend money on software as well as, hire people for their copywriting. So let's jump into the dashboard, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm using Jarvis to help realtors go from features to benefits. So let's say that I stumbled upon this ad, right? So this is on Facebook Marketplace, and 3-bedroom, 2-bath, homes available, blah, blah, blah. Feature. So we can actually take this and we can throw it into Jarvis and clean this up a little bit. So obviously these aren't, $1 million homes or anything like that, but I would definitely grab some better pictures, add more structure towards this, right? So we want to go after a specific audience, right? So, first time home buyers or people that are looking for single family homes. So you want to identify, you want to label someone and give them clarity on this is the right house for them. So we need to grab their attention. Okay, so a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So it's not grabbing my attention, right? So let's say first time home buyers or attention, blah, 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 right? So we need to label these people. Okay, but I'm gonna grab this really quick, and then we're gonna throw it into Jarvis and see what Jarvis has to put out. So this is just like a great way to provide value first, and then making an encounter and build a relationship with these people. Show them that, hey, we've got copywriting experience or funnels or whatever services that you're offering. So this would be like a great Facebook ad right here. This beautiful 3-bedroom, bathroom, suite, 2-bath home is perfect for any family with a stove, fridge included. You'll be able to enjoy entertaining friends and family the right way. We're emphasizing on the benefits instead of the features. Plus the appliances are new and keep your food fresh all day long. So the goal is, with our first sentences, is to get people to keep reading. You can even do the formula AIDA: attention, interest, desire, action. Don't miss this opportunity to own a new home, right? So we can all clean this up. So this structure here for Jarvis was obviously ugly. So we can actually create more, and Jarvis will just keep putting this out all day. I'm on the boss mode plan, so that's $99. Jarvis actually starts off at 24. You get 20,000 credits, I believe, and you can write a bunch of landing pages, email sequences. Stuff like come home to your own private oasis. I like that. This home is perfect balance of privacy and community. You have your own yard space to maintain, but you're just minutes away from amenities that come on with living on site. But if we want to reach out to these people, right, we can give them some ad copy like this, or make them some kind of, lead magnet. So that's what I've done in the past, is to do like a lot of SEO audits, or provide them with lead magnets for buyers, or like a seller's guide, or something like that, right? Just to build a relationship and to keep them in the back of your mind. Try and get them on a sales call and close them over the phone to get clarity on exactly what they need. I understand the real estate market right now is crazy, and houses are going for 20-30% over listing. So I guess you can just throw anything up nowadays and sell them. So I don't really know a lot about the real estate niche, but from my personal experience is you need to have an irresistible offer. What I would do I would knock down all the objections from, I would try and get these people on an email list, right? So, but I would knock down all the objections that people have, like say a huge objection is moving, right? So, hey, if you buy a house from me, or I list a house for you, I'll hook you up with 3 days free for like a U-Haul. So I want to knock down as many objections as possible and provide more value. So if you provide more value than the cost, right? No one's going to have an objection about money and your compensation on the listings. So what I would do, I don't know if you're allowed to do this, but I believe if you put in the seller's agreement, I work with another company that helped me grow my LTV for my tree service to give away complimentary vacations. All they have to do is pay for the sales tax. But I would add that in as well. Hey, with a new house, you get a free U-Haul rental for 3 days, plus I'm going to give you a complimentary vacation to Miami or Chicago or wherever. I would stack on bonuses, right? And then I would do joint ventures with the people or with the businesses around me, okay? And offer them discounts and make relationships with the businesses around me, offer those discounts, and then get money and get paid per lead for those businesses, right? So they're referring people to me, and I'm referring people to them. I would do a lot of giveaways for local, right? I would try and become the mayor for my town on social media. That's what I would do, right? I would be posting reviews on other places. I'd be doing walkthroughs for houses. I'd be doing drone videos. You know what I mean? So many different avenues. You have to be different, right? How are you going to be different in this marketplace? So, sales copy, email, you need to be providing a bunch of value. Like, these pictures are horrible, right? Trailer with sunroom, blah, blah, blah. So, you know what I mean? Realistically, a lot of realtors aren't even running ads. They're, paying Zillow, $20 to $50 per lead, and they're not even exclusive leads. You need to be different and make your own leads. So side note here, right? So if you can be a rainmaker, you can provide your own leads and close those leads, you are the most valuable person in the world, okay? I just want to throw that out there. You're a rainmaker. If you're acquiring for someone, if for yourself or a business, you are on the revenue side. You have unlimited potential, especially if you can gain leads and close those leads, right? Side note, get back to the video. You need to build your own list. What if you move brokers, right? You got to have your own list. And a lot of people are just focused on getting that next sale. You need to be building a long-term plan. All right, so I entered it into Jarvis, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, brand new kitchen, bath, furnished basement, near amenities, huge backyard, fenced in, great neighborhood, and neighbors, near local college, retail shops located in Toledo, Ohio. So whatever you provide Jarvis, the more information, the better Jarvis will have an output. This house is perfect for large families or someone looking to downsize. So our goal with Jarvis is we're not writing copy right now. We are editing. Okay, so we're going to grab some of these and then we're going to rearrange them. For anyone looking to start a family with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, kitchen have been renovated, features scored at grand. Okay, so we're going to take that copy from Jarvis. We're going to push it into Google Docs, and then we're going to become the editor, okay? So we're going to rearrange all of this. We're going to grab the benefits from Jarvis, rearrange it. We have a house for you. I want to niche down. I want to label someone. Don't settle for less than you deserve. All right, so we can open up for a headline with a question. Are you ready to do your dream home? It's not what I want, but we can tweak that later. Okay, so I just put all this together. We can work on that. I'm going to write a call to action. Go back to your templates. You can also do the marketing angles for different segments of your audience, right? So first-time home buyers, low money down, a segment or niche that you're going for. All right, so I'm in the long form assistance right here. So I'm telling Jarvis to write a call to action to set up an appointment for an open house for next week. All right, so we're going to grab this, and then we're going to go back over to Google Docs. All right, so I like to do one call to action realistically on my listings. Or, hey, go to this website and either go to website or call me or do one or the other, right? So you can actually set up a chat bot for your phone number if you want. So here's the listing. We're going to have to finagle this a little bit, but are you ready to get your dream home? The 5-bedroom, 3-bath home is perfect for accommodating all your needs, from the new kitchen and baths to the brand new furnishings in the basement. This house has space galore to accommodate your family with
plenty of privacy. The brand new kitchen completes the state-of-the-art appliances, will make cooking a delight with room enough that you don't have to worry about bumping into the kids as they help themselves to some ice cream with the freezer, right? So you're future pacing this purchase right here with this statement right there. You're future pacing. You're putting a image in their mind, okay? Kids running around, grab an ice cream, right? So this beautiful home includes a brand new kitchen, bath, 5 bedrooms with 3 full baths. We gotta fix that. Finished basement, huge backyard, and fenced in. It's near amenities, including local colleges, retail shops, and more. So we could throw this listing basically into the marketing angles and find different segments of this to our audience. But I just wanted to show you a rough draft of how to do this. I believe there's over 40 different templates that Jarvis has. So these are my favorites. You can go into the frameworks, AIDA, PSA, features to benefits, before, after, bridge. So if you've got some time, you can actually go in and configure all of this marketing copy, right? You can do full landing pages, email sequences, a website copy, long form assistance. If you're in the e-com space, it's great for Amazon product or eBay as well. Google, they've got a bunch of SEO stuff. It's great for local businesses that need help with their content creation. So I just wanted to break that down really quick for realtors and if you're trying to get leads from realtors. And I actually have a 5-day free Jarvis.ai Intensified course that shows you 27 different ways on how to make money with Jarvis. You can go to 1-800-copywriter.com and it will take you to a website that looks just like this. So this is a 5-day workshop. Plus, I've got a bunch of different bonuses like scripts, building blogs, pages, email sequences. I've got a bunch of bonuses if you sign up as well. The whole goal of this is to help you succeed as quickly as possible with Jarvis. And I'll see you in the next video.